For the repair of the LS inverter, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we had a 3-phase 380 volt AC power supply. As we turn on the power supply, the inverter reacts accordingly, and we can see the LCD screen of the unit lighting up. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the LS inverter is working successfully and it is ready to be delivered to the customer.